Hello, dear students. India is a land of diversity. In the previous session, we have learned about location of India. India is the seventh largest country in the world. India is surrounded by water bodies on three sides, hence, it is called a peninsula. India shares its boundaries with 8 countries. I hope you all remember. Okay, students. Now we will continue with the topic location of India. Let's start. Did you know the name India has been taken from the word Indus, which has been drawn from the Persian word Hindus? Since India is a large country, it has diverse physical features and landforms. Diverse means different from each other. The main physical divisions of India are the northern mountains, northern plains, Great Indian Desert, Peninsular Plateau, coastal plains, and islands. The world's highest mountain range, the Himalayas, are situated to the north of India. They form the northern borders of our country. They start from Jammu and Kashmir and extend till Arunachal Pradesh. The northern plains are situated to the south of the Himalayas. The soil found in this area is very fertile and suitable for growing crops. Fertile means good for growing crops. The Great Indian Desert, also known as the Thar Desert. The Thar Desert is located in northwestern part of India. The land is very dry as the region receives little rainfall. The peninsular region is covered by the Peninsular Plateau, which consists of the Deccan Plateau, the Chota Nagpur Plateau, and the Malwa Plateau. The Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats run parallel to the Deccan Plateau on both sides. The Vindhya and Satpura ranges lie to the north of the plateau. The coastal plains surround the Peninsular Plateau on both sides. The eastern coastal plains are located between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. The western coastal plains are located between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. There are two main island groups in India. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in the Bay of Bengal, and the Lakshadweep Islands are located in the Arabian Sea. Let us recall what we just learned. India is the seventh largest country in the world and has diverse physical features. The Himalayas are located in the northern part of India. The northern plains lie to the south of the Himalayas. The Great Indian Desert is in the northwestern part of India. The peninsular region is covered by the Peninsular Plateau. The Peninsular Plateau is bordered by the Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats. The Vindhya and Satpura ranges lie to the north of this plateau. The eastern coastal plains and the western coastal plains border the Peninsular Plateau on both sides. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands are the two main island groups of India. Diverse, different from each other. Fertile, good for growing crops. Home fun, Find out the names of the Indian states which have been created in the past 10 years. So students, I am ending today's session here. We will meet in the next session with the new topic, states and union territories. Bye everyone.